This is going to be the brand new elevator that goes up to Kingpin here at the Pen Centre in St. Catharines, Ontario. St. Catharines. Wow, look at this elevator. Isn't this nice? This is a beautiful one. I'm going to go to 2. Wow, this is really nice. My gosh, this is beautiful. I'm going to go for another. Take us on 2 rides here. This is amazing. Got your fixtures here and your telephone. This was only put in service, I think, a few weeks ago, so this is literally brand new. Alright, and wow, this is a really nice elevator.